Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, in the morning session we had given the advanced trading chart, that is we got yesterday itself, that is on Friday we got the chart, and based on the previous day's chart we can trade for the today's session. So as per this, the sell was at 25,834 and second buy is 25,864 and the first buy was at 25,707 and the second sell was at 25,578. So the blue line is the entry point, the second buy, the red line on the stop loss. The stop loss will become the reversal point when the SL hit. Okay, now whichever side it gets activated first, that side only we have to trade, other side we have to ignore. So now market is getting open, see here. So now this is the chart of the previous day. On Friday's chart, now the today's market has opened. Once the today market is open and we got the today's level 25,838. Just 3 points, there was some difference in the calculation as per the AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning calculation. But it doesn't change. The exact zones has not changed and the first 1 minute candle has closed above the second buy only. Let that high of that candle is broken, then at the retracement at same point of second buy we have to go for the entry. So now 25,867 is the entry point as per the spot index. You can take 25,900 call option or 26,000 call option or 26,100 call option. If you are an option seller, you can sell 26,000 put option, 26,200 put option, whichever you are capable of based on your capital. Now second buy has been activated. Once second buy is activated, go to the indicator settings and enable the targets, first sell targets and second buy targets. Why is first buy targets here I am enabling? If SL hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. Nothing else we have to do. Look at this. Now the midpoint has been automatically generated. The midpoint is at 25,853. If market after breaking our second buy entry, if it is coming down for the retracement, it will come and touch the midpoint. After touching the midpoint, it will take up. Okay, so something similarly, the same thing has been happened. 25,853 was retested. Again, it has gone upside. So now if the market is going upside, the first target would be 25,897, second target would be 25,926 and the third target would be 25,955. Okay, suppose if it is not giving the first target and hitting the stop loss, that is stop loss is at blue color line 25,838, then we have to go for the put buy option. And if it is reversing, the target would be 25,809, 25,780, 25,751. Hope this is clear. If second buy is activated, the corresponding targets will be achieved. If SL hit, the first sell will be activated and corresponding targets will be achieved. So either side will be done. We know what is the stop loss, we know what is the target, we know where to enter and where to exit. Everything we know. And by default, there will be 3 targets. By default, there will be 3 targets. If you want, you can enable the targets in the extra targets mode. See here at the bottom, here you can see enable MST iCore extra targets. If you enable the extra targets, you will get another 3 targets. For example, I am enabling another 3 targets also now. So let me run the market now. First target is not yet hit. Now first target has been hit. Second target also hit and it is going to touch the third target. If it is touching the third target, our day's trade will be over. So what to do to get more points? You can take 3 quantity at the same time. Once first target is done, close the first lot and revise the stop loss to cost. Book the second lot at the second target and revise the stop loss to first target and wait for the third target. Once third target also hit, exit from the market. Exit from the market, that's all over. Or if you want to trial the market, if you want to trial your profits, then keep changing your stop loss to the next higher level. If market is reversing, you will not be at loss, you will be always in the profit. So hope this is clear. This is very simplest method, very simplest method. Now I have shown you with advanced trading setup in which we are analyzing the market one day before the market opens. Yesterday night itself we can analyze the market and we can be ready which strike price I am going to buy, which strike price at which price I am going to buy. Everything will be predetermined. We will be ready. Once the market is open, we can trade accordingly. Suppose if you don't want to do this advanced trading setup, then you can go back to the indicator settings and give reset settings once the market is open. And do not forget to change your stop loss to tiny 2, target also tiny 2. And sometime you can keep tiny 3 also because of the volatility of the market. So now you see this chart has to be traded only after the market is open. Okay, after 9:15, after 9:30, wait for the 15 to 20 minutes so that all the volatility will be completed. You can get a perfect entry. So now this is today's chart based on the current market scenario. So we know that for the sell entry, we will be waiting for one red candle to close below the sell zone and low of the candle should be broken. Then at the retracement, we have to go for the entry. So this is the sell entry strategy. So look at this. We are keeping in 1 minute time frame only. No red candle has closed below the sell zone. So we are not going to take sell entry now. We are avoiding the sell entry completely. In turn, what happened? In the buy session, in second buy session, one candle has closed above the buy entry. Let the first candle, the break, this we call it as breaking candle. It happened at a 10.6. Once the high of the candle is broken, then we have to wait for the retracement. It has come to retracement 50% of this candle. Now we have taken the buy entry. Once buy entry is taken, we have to enable the target. Go to the settings, enable second buy targets. And it almost hit the first target. The first target was 25,980 and the high made was, let me check it here, 25,978.85. Only 1 point is missed. Okay, we can say almost first target is hit. Once again market has come and touched our exact second buy zone and it is being reversing now. So we might get our first target very soon. Do not forget, this is our strategy. I am repeating, once the market is open, you can trade, or one day before itself, you can analyze the market and you can make a trade. You can decide one day before itself. Once the market is open, two zones will be formed. If market is coming and touching our sell zone, we will be going for the sell entry. If the market is coming and touching our buy zone, we will be going for the buy entry. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy for that day. If SL hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. If buy activated, enable the buy targets. If sell activated, enable the sell targets and trade accordingly. Trade only one trade per day. Don't be in the market for 24 hours. It will kill your profits. Even sometimes it will kill your capital also. So you fix your income. If you want to make 2000 rupees in a day, try for it, go for it. Once you got 2000 rupees, close the system and do other work. Do not be behind the market always. If you follow this kind of discipline methods, you can be a successful trader in nearby future. Every month you should end your trading system only in the green so that you can get the more profit. Now let me show you the positional trading system also. What is positional trading system? We are using iTrend for the positional. We are using the iTrend for the positional. Here you can see I will keep in some higher time frame like 5 minutes. For positional, we all know we are using 30 minutes time frame in the chart. For demonstration, I am showing you in 5 minutes. So this chart we got on 23rd October. When the market is reaching to 26,104, we have been telling that we are going to buy the put option, that is OTM put option. Also we will be selling the call option so that both sides will be getting the profit. So now if you notice here exactly we got one M pattern. Once the mid of the M pattern is broken, we got continuous profit till our buy zone. After the buy zone on Friday, we have notified that market has touched the demand zone. So anytime the Nifty will be shooting upside. Exactly same thing has happened, and there also one W pattern formed once the mid of the W pattern is broken, we got very good profit from 25,755 to almost 26,000. So 250 points plus we got the profit in the second entry. In the first entry we got 26,100 to 25,700. So 400 points in the sell side we got profit. In buy side we got 200 plus points profit, and put together we got 600 plus 2, 400 to 200, 600 points profit we have got. So if you are following this discipline wise, you can become a good successful trader. Hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, please WhatsApp us in the given number 9500009154. We will be happy to assist you. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.